A dishonest milkman professes to sell his milk at cost price, but he mixes it with water and thereby gains 25%. The percentage of water in the mixture is. Now, such kind of questions can be easily solved by using alligation technique. First of all, we can assume the cost price of milk as rupees 1 per liter. So therefore, the selling price of mixture will also be equal to 1. Now, we have the cost price of milk as 1, the cost price of water as 0. Here we write down the cost price of the mixture. So we cannot write down 1 over here. Writing down 1 would be wrong. So we need to find out the cost price of the mixture, and that we can find out by using the formula selling price equal to cost price into multiplier. Now the selling price is 1 as we have seen here. Cost price we have to find out. Now the multiplier here for gain of 25% will be 1. Because it is gain, it becomes plus, and 25% fraction equivalent is 1 by 4. Okay. So 1 plus 1 by 4, that becomes 5 upon 4. So bringing 5 upon 4 on the other side, we get the cost price as 4 upon 5. So we'll write down 4 upon 5 here. So for easier cross subtraction, I'll write down here 0 as 0 upon 5 and 1 as 5 upon 5. Okay. So now cross subtraction, 4 minus 0, that is 4 upon 5. 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 5. So now here we have milk and here we have water. Okay. So milk to water ratio becomes 4:1. Okay. So therefore the water percentage becomes, now the ratio of the quantity of water is 1. So 1 upon 4 plus 1, that is 5 into 100. So 1 upon 5 into 100, that comes out to be 20%. So that's our answer, option C. Now, instead of doing so much of stuff, we can have a shortcut trick over here. We can easily get the water to milk ratio that is equivalent to the fraction equivalent of the profit percentage in that case. So the profit percentage here is 25%. So water to milk ratio becomes 1 upon 4. So this gets converted to water percentage as 1 upon 1 plus 4. We add both these. So 1 plus 4 is 5 into 100. So that comes out as 20%. So that's our answer for this particular question, 20%.